This is how girls should be: happy, valued, respected, cared for, protected, and nurtured. These girls are from different places. They come in speaking different languages. Once here, they transform into a flock of colorful birds, transcending barriers as they get ready to soar through life. This transformation happens in Sampradaya, a special residential facility at the Tirupati foothills created specifically with these girls in mind. Embrace, enlighten, and empower are the fundamental values Sampradaya is based on. The girls from humble backgrounds, sometimes one-room households, are embraced into the fold with love, given lots of attention, the right medical and gynecological care. They are taught to embrace who they are, their backgrounds and culture. Most of all, they learn to help each other and be supportive as embodiments of Shri. Sampradaya girls are nurtured to become enlightened adults who know how to make good choices and take leadership in preserving, protecting, and promoting their culture and traditions. Outside the classroom, hands-on learning is a very important part of Sampradaya.
ఇది శ్రేయాన్ స్వధర్మ విగుణ పరధర్మాత్ స్వనుష్ఠితాత్ అని చెప్పారు. స్వధర్మాన్ని కొంచెం లోపం ఉన్నా కొద్దిగా పూర్తిగా చేయలేకపోయినా స్వధర్మాన్ని మనం పాటించాలని చెప్పారు. ఆ విధంగా ఈ ధర్మ విద్యగా చేయటానికి
They are coached adequately to pass public exams in subjects of their choice, such as mathematics, civics, and economics in high school, and BCom and BSc mathematics for the bachelor's levels. The children are enrolled in recognized schools and colleges. Formal education, mainstream education, is given a lot of importance at Sampradaya. The facility is equipped with the necessary tools and equipment to facilitate learning. The teachers are highly qualified professionals who come to Sampradaya to teach the girls.
ప్రొడక్షన్ అండ్ ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ అనేటువంటిది, హెల్త్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఒకటి ఉంది, అగ్రికల్చర్లో డెవలప్మెంట్ ఒకటి ఉంది, ఇండస్ట్రీస్, ఇంకా ఎడ్యుకేషన్ డెవలప్మెంట్.
एक लड़का था, उसका नाम क्या था?
They are taught Sanskritam as an additional language.
अत एव उच्यते भारतस्य प्रतिष्ठे द्वे संस्कृतं संस्कृतिस्तथा इति उक्त्वा विरमामि. धन्यवादः.
The tactile and fun world of art and craft is part of the wholesome learning experience at Sampradaya. The girls are given a variety of materials to experiment with. They create original pieces with traditional and experimental techniques. Their exhibitions are encouraged and much appreciated. Special subjects like herbs and natural medicine are taught to them. The girls learn to garden and grow their own vegetables. They learn Shastriya Sangeetam, vocal and instrumental music. The voices that falter at the beginning of the year soar with confidence and ability by the end.
श्री सीतारामचरितं गानं जन्म सफलं श्रवणं पापहरणं.
The girls learn to balance mind and body with yoga.
लोकविदितम् आदिकवि वाल्मीकि रचितं सीतारामचरितम्.
Sampradaya girls learn to cook with traditional equipment and utensils. They learn to serve food and eat with respect. The girls really look forward to their field trips and the festivals that they celebrate in the year. They celebrate with gusto and learn to pray together. Education here is wholesome, enlightening the intellect, engaging the mind, and enhancing natural ability. Sampradaya empowers the girls by giving them vocational skills, the learning of use of computers, tailoring, embroidery, and food processing. The girls are given guidance and support in creating their own small business enterprise. The brainchild of the Acharyas of the Kanchi Kamakoti Peetham, Sampradaya started in 2014 with a handful of students. The idea was to give children a modern education, help them cope with the world outside, and at the same time preserve, protect, and pass on the traditions that they follow at home.
ఈ భారతీయ విద్య, ధర్మ విద్య, సనాతన విద్య, శాస్త్రీయ విద్య, ఈ సాత్వికమైన విద్య ద్వారా మంచి సిటిజన్స్, మంచి ప్రజల్ని, మంచి నాగరికుల్ని తయారు చేసే బాధ్యత, ఈ భాగ్యము, ఈ దీన్ని అందరూ కూడా, ప్రజలందరూ కూడా వాడుకొని మన దేశం పూర్వ వైభవం, పురాతన వైభవం వచ్చేటట్లు అందరూ సహకరించాలి.
The Kanchi Acharyas tell us that the woman is the keeper of culture in our society, and all this begins with a good foundational education. Yatra naryastu pujate, ramante tatra devataha. Today, scores of girls are waiting in line to enroll in Sampradaya. We would like to make sure every girl has the opportunity to blossom into her full potential. Join us. Be a partner, teacher, mentor, and sponsor. The girls need your support.